Behold the almighty dollar, and behold 52 weeks, 52 tricks from that old black magic. Welcome back. Now then, like most magicians, I am not good with money. I do know some basic elementary things, however, and I'm going to show you today a lesson in how to make change with a dollar bill. Now, it's very simple. You take a dollar bill, just like this one, and you fold it in half. Then you fold it in half again. And if you do that, you get 4 quarters. Bad joke. You fold it in half again, and in half one more time. And when you do that, you do not have a whole dollar anymore, ladies and gentlemen. No, sir, you have 1, 2, 3, 4 quarters. I know, it's incredible. And it's unspendable. If you put this into a Pepsi machine trying to get your drink, bzz, 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 it's going to be going in and out all day long, and you will never get your drink or your money back. So here's what you have to do. You take that dollar bill and you fold it in half, and you fold it in half again and again and again. And if you do that, instead of 4 quarters, you will find that you have your original whole $1 bill. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I do not like to do this trick with my own dollar. I prefer to do it with a borrowed dollar bill, and I can do that. So if you would like to see that trick, all you need to do is send me your dollar bills. There's an elementary lesson in economics for you. Thank you.